Here I've got V-Mobile S29 and let me show you how to activate portable hotspot on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings. Then under wireless and network, select more. And then go to tethering and portable hotspot. And here click on Wi-Fi hotspot to activate yours. Simply by tapping on this switcher you can activate hotspot, just give it a sec. And that's it. From now on, your portable hotspot is active and now you can see the sign over here. If you would like to personalize it, so if you would like to, for example, change the network name or the password, simply click on Setup Wi-Fi Hotspot. And now you can change the network name. We can name it HardReset. And then if you would like to change the password, click on Show Password to see what your current password is. Now simply delete it and enter a new one. Click on Save to upload the changes, wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. As you can see, your hotspot is still active, but with new name and also with new password. And that would be all. If you would like to switch off your portable hotspot, simply click on this switcher. You can also access your portable hotspot through the upper bar, simply slide it down and just locate hotspot icon. Here it is. If you will click on it, you can smoothly activate hotspot. And that's it. As you can see, it's active, then you can switch it off the same way. So that's basically all. This is how you can quickly and easily activate portable hotspot on your V-Mobile. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.